Most people don't realize they're ruining their road trip until they're completely exhausted about halfway through. And it usually comes down to one trip planning mistake. I'm Vicky, and on my channel, I show you simple, step by step ways to use ChatGPT to make better trips, especially if you're over 60 and looking for new travel tips. I'm going to show you the number one road trip mistake that exhausts you throughout your trip and how to fix it. You plan the trip, you're excited, everything looks great on paper. But here's what most people do: they try to drive too far in one day. 8 hours, 9 hours, sometimes more. It does sound like a good idea, it does sound efficient. But by early afternoon, you're already feeling it. By late afternoon, you're tired, uncomfortable, and still not there yet. Now, this trip doesn't feel relaxing anymore. It feels like work. When you finally arrive, you don't feel good. You just feel done. Here's the simple fix: plan your trip based on time, not distance. This is where I use ChatGPT to make it really simple. You see the prompt on the screen. Make sure you include where you're traveling from and where you're going. So let me read the prompt. Plan a relaxed road trip for me with no more than 6 to 8 hours of total travel time per day, including breaks. Suggest logical stopping points along the way. I'm traveling from Denver, Colorado to Branson, Missouri. That's my sample. Now I have ChatGPT open, and I'm going to paste the prompt that I just showed you into it and see what it says. I'm going to enter. Okay. Day one, Denver to Hayes, Kansas. Overnight. They give you pictures. Nice. Day two, Hayes, Kansas to Springfield, Missouri. Tells you how many miles it is, driving time, suggested stops in Kansas City, overnight in Springfield, Missouri. So here's some hotels. Number three, day three is Springfield to Branson, and tells you why it works. An optional stop in Ozarks. So look how beautiful it is. Maybe you should plan a trip to Branson too. That one simple change makes a big difference. Now you can actually enjoy the drive instead of just trying to get through it. If your road trips have ever felt more exhausting than they did relaxing, then this could be the reason why, the number one mistake. So I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just a small creator, a grandma out here trying to do this and to help give some travel tips, things I've learned along the way, and to help others. So I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. And please share in the comments your biggest road trip mistake. Thanks for coming.